You are out for a walk, but instead of feeling strong and confident, your knees ache, your balance feels off, and you are unsure if you're walking the right way. What if I told you that the way you walk can make all the difference in how you feel, how well you age, and even how long you live? If you are between 65 and 85 years old, walking is not just about putting one foot in front of the other. It is about walking in a way that protects your joints, strengthens your muscles, improves your balance, and keeps your heart strong. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to walk to get the most out of every step. Walking might seem simple, but as we get older, small adjustments in posture, pace, and technique can make a huge difference. The right walking form can reduce your risk of falls, ease joint pain, improve circulation, and even boost your brain health. Unfortunately, many people develop bad walking habits over the years: hunched shoulders, shuffling feet, or leaning too far forward. These habits can put unnecessary strain on your body and increase the risk of injuries. But the good news is that it is never too late to correct them. If you are already getting value from this video, then I encourage you to click the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Let us go step by step through the best way to walk for your age. Posture comes first. Standing correctly is the foundation of good walking mechanics. Stand tall with your head up and shoulders relaxed. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head toward the sky. This helps keep your spine aligned and prevents strain on your neck and back. Keep your chest open, allowing for deep, full breaths that provide more oxygen to your muscles. Avoid slouching or rounding your shoulders, as this can throw off your balance and make walking more tiring. Engage your core slightly by gently tightening your abdominal muscles. This provides extra stability for your lower back and helps prevent aches and pains after walking. Step with purpose. Many people take either very short, shuffling steps or overly long strides that can put unnecessary stress on the knees and hips. Instead, take natural, comfortable steps. Your stride should feel effortless, not forced. When you step forward, land softly on your heel and roll through to your toes. This rolling motion helps absorb impact, reducing strain on your joints and allowing for a smoother, more efficient walk. Avoid dragging your feet, as this increases the risk of tripping and makes walking feel heavier. Keep a good arm swing. Your arms should move naturally at your sides, swinging opposite to your legs. This means when your right foot steps forward, your left arm should swing forward and vice versa. This motion helps maintain rhythm and balance while also engaging more muscles, making your walk more effective. Keep your elbows slightly bent and relaxed. Do not let your arms stiffen or dangle lifelessly. Avoid keeping your hands in your pockets, as this limits your arm movement and can make you feel off balance. If you carry anything while walking, distribute the weight evenly to avoid straining one side of your body. Mind your pace. Finding the right walking speed is key. You want to walk at a pace that challenges you slightly, but does not leave you gasping for breath. A good rule of thumb is the talk test. If you can carry on a conversation comfortably, but still feel like you're getting a bit of a workout, you are at the right pace. Walking too slowly may not provide enough cardiovascular benefits, while walking too fast might lead to unnecessary fatigue or joint pain. Adjust your speed based on how you feel that day. Some days, a slower, more relaxed walk might be best, while on others, you may feel energetic enough to walk at a brisker pace. Focus on your balance. Balance becomes more critical as we age. If you sometimes feel unsteady, start by walking near a railing, a wall, or even using a walking stick for support. Practicing simple balance exercises alongside your walking routine can significantly improve stability. Try standing on one foot for a few seconds or walking heel to toe in a straight line. Strengthening the muscles in your legs, core, and ankles will help prevent falls and make walking feel more natural and effortless. Footwear matters. The type of shoes you wear has a huge impact on how well you walk. Choose supportive, well-cushioned shoes that fit properly. Avoid worn-out shoes, high heels, or shoes with slippery soles. Look for footwear with good arch support, a sturdy heel, and enough room in the toe box to prevent discomfort. If you experience foot pain, consider adding insoles or orthotics to provide extra support. Breathing and relaxation. Walking should not be a tense activity. Focus on taking deep, steady breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. This helps improve oxygen flow to your muscles and keeps your energy level steady. Try to stay relaxed and avoid clenching your fists or tightening your shoulders. Walking should feel fluid and natural, not forced or rigid. Terrain awareness. Pay attention to where you walk. Uneven surfaces, loose gravel, or steep inclines can challenge your balance. If you walk outdoors, choose smooth, even paths whenever possible. If you prefer to walk inside, consider using a treadmill with handrails for support. Being aware of your environment helps prevent missteps and unnecessary injuries. How often and how long should you walk? Walking is one of the best forms of exercise for seniors, but how much should you be doing to truly benefit your body? The ideal goal is at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity walking per week. This breaks down to about 30 minutes per day, 5 days a week. If 30 minutes feels overwhelming, you can split it into smaller sessions, such as walking for 10 to 15 minutes in the morning and another session later in the day. Listen to your body. If you are new to regular walking, start with shorter sessions and gradually build up. Even a 5-minute walk is better than nothing. As you gain strength and endurance, slowly increase the duration and intensity of your walks. There is no need to rush. Consistency is more important than speed or distance. Incorporate variety. Changing your walking routine can keep it engaging and provide different health benefits. Some days, try walking at a steady, comfortable pace, while other days, introduce short bursts of faster walking to challenge your cardiovascular system. Walking on different surfaces, such as grass, pavement, or gentle inclines, can also help improve strength and balance. Track your progress. Keeping a simple walking journal or using a step tracking device can be motivating. Aim for at least 7,000 to 8,000 steps per day, but do not stress over numbers. Any movement is beneficial. Do not forget recovery. After each walk, take a few minutes to stretch your legs, especially your calves, hamstrings, and lower back. This can help reduce stiffness and keep your muscles flexible. Walking mistakes to avoid. To get the most benefits from walking, avoid these common mistakes. Shuffling your feet. Lifting your feet properly helps prevent tripping and keeps your muscles engaged. Walking with a dragging motion can also lead to strain in your lower body over time. Looking down all the time. Keeping your head up and eyes forward helps maintain proper posture and prevents neck strain. Constantly looking at the ground can throw off your balance and make walking feel more difficult. Walking with stiff arms. Your arms should move naturally with your steps. Holding them too rigidly or keeping them motionless reduces walking efficiency and can lead to unnecessary tension in your shoulders and back. Ignoring pain. Pain is your body's way of signaling that something is wrong. If you experience discomfort while walking, adjust your pace, check your posture, and make sure you are wearing proper footwear. If pain persists, consult a healthcare professional. Overstriding. Taking steps that are too long can strain your joints and muscles. Instead, aim for a natural, comfortable stride that allows for smooth movement. Wearing the wrong shoes. Poor footwear can lead to foot pain, knee issues, and even back problems. Choose shoes with proper support, cushioning, and traction to ensure a comfortable walk. Not drinking enough water. Staying hydrated is crucial, even if you do not feel thirsty. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and muscle cramps, which can affect your walking performance. Walking the right way can transform how you feel every single day. It is not about walking faster or longer than anyone else. It is about walking smarter. Stand tall, step with confidence, and let your walks become a source of strength and vitality. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever noticed how different walking styles affect your body? Drop a comment below and let us keep the conversation going. If this video has helped you, then I recommend you click the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.